What is going on, everybody? Tech enthusiast here, and in this video we're going to do a benchmark test starting off with 3D Mark demo. Now the laptop is plugged into the mains, fully charged, and now I'm going to change the mode to performance mode with this toggle here. By pressing function and Q, you can toggle between silent, auto and performance mode, and it will show you the indicator on screen as well. So 3D Mark demo finished in just under 6 minutes, and here are the scores. So next up is Heaven benchmark, and I have ramped up the specs to extreme mode, and we'll see how this runs. and Heaven benchmark finished in just under 5 minutes, and here are the scores. Okay, so that does it for this GPU benchmark test. What did you think? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If it is your first time here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. I will probably do the Cinebench CPU test next, so make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release my videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.